venture capitalists, government officials, and employees to capture diverse viewpoints. Gather data on the challenges startup faces, such as funding limitations, regulatory issues, and talent acquisitions. Research successfully and failing. Startups to understand common factors and unique challenges in Indian context.
Okay, first you will understand the needs, motivation, and challenges that are Indian startups for the prospective by the founders, investors, employees, and the policy makers. First you will understand. Next, how we have defined stage of the problem. Yes.
Define the problem and the opportunity. Analyze calculate insights to pinpoint major challenges such as access to capital, regularly products, scarcity issues, and the need for a skilled workforce. Define critical objectives for the ecosystem like fostering innovation, creating job opportunities, and enhancing market competitiveness. Summarize the needs of the startup in the Indian context to provide a foundation for together solutions.
Next, what will be the ideal path?
Brainstorm potential solutions for major challenges such as simplified regulatory process, improved access to finding the government or backend and training programs, explore the way to make initiative startups like India more efficiently, such as offering additional grants, improving membership programs, or creating specialized incubators. Consider the role that educational institutions, established corporations, and international investors can play supporting factors.
Yes, we will consider the role of educational institutions, established corporations, and international investors. Where here the way what are the initiatives like Startup India can be taken to know the effectiveness and what are the additional grants that can be provided for the startups. Next, what would be the prototype solutions for it?
Pilot initiatives such as government subsidy loan program, a streamlined tax-based process, or a startup incubator in collaboration with the local universities. Create prototype of digital platforms for easier access to resource, grants, and networks between startups with the mentors and investors. Build a model for a mentorship program in collaboration with the seasoned entrepreneurs who can offer guidance to young startups.
Okay. So, what will be the final stage? Test. What will be the test and idea?
Implement the program in the select region and measure success metric like a startup survey rate, job creation, and investor investment. Gather feedback from the startup that particular in the pilots, access in the